Today is May 23rd, 7:30 a.m. And here we have Lucy is on Kathy's lap. Notice wagging her tiny little tail. And over here is Kiki. Look at her tail wagging also. They love to be out already and play with people. It's just the nature of dogs. Look at that.
That big old body to move.
Yeah, they gotta strengthen up so that way they carry that weight.
And they can lose it. Look at you.
Yeah, and lose it. Get that exercise in. Did Lucy climb up on your lap?
No, I put her
Oh.
up. She didn't climb up either.
Man, look at Kiki's tail. Whoa. Oh, now it stopped. What is it with these? There they go. There's that tail. Look at that.
He's a
She.
she. No, now I'm calling them he, but they're she's. Yeah, kiss. Kiss him. No, you don't like to do that when you're like this. There you go.
Yeah, Kiki's a cuddler.
Yeah.
See that? But
Yeah.
let's see if I can zoom in a little bit closer so you can see. She's giving Kathy kisses. Look at that.
Girl, yes.
Oh, look at the little tongue. You can see the tongue. Look at that. Yeah. Kiki's a cuddler. As for Lucy, Lucy's just a kick-back dog. It's hard to get her to be affectionate yet.
Yeah, she's still kind of.
Yeah, she still needs a little bit more socializing. When we first bring her out each time, she starts to shake because she's a little scared.
Come here. Let's see if I can. Come here. It's okay.
Yeah, let's see.
It's okay. It's okay. She likes to cuddle, but she's just not a. She's just kind of like. Look at laying there with his tail going back and forth. Her. Dang it.
Yeah, there's Kiki. Look at that tail.
Kiki. Kiki.
Kiki's happy to be out here. Look at that.
What's the matter? What's the matter?